Kanban system works off the pull of the customer, creating a more demand-driven enterprise, which results in lower inventory levels, less waiting, and better control of production amounts. The Japanese word Kanban, loosely translated, means card, billboard, or sign, but oftentimes other sensory notifications such as empty spaces, cones, or lights are used to notify a supplier of a customer need. In the purest sense, Kanban is a trigger. The card was an early method used to help people learn to act on a trigger for replenishment and manage the demand associated with the need. Essentially, the Kanban card and other triggers were used to help manage the replenishment and behaviors associated with replenishing that inventory. Over the next few modules, we will look at the different purposes of Kanban. Some include effective ways to communicate, replacement of routers and work orders, help in controlling overproduction and inventory levels, as a visual control tool, and lastly, as a tool used to transition to one-piece flow and drive improvements through your organization. We'll see you in the next module.